I'm Alan Jones. This is my wife Samantha, and we're building the Ventana Q.
I really enjoyed picking out the lighting for our home. What sets Shaw Homes apart for me is that they're local builders. They don't come in to town and put up a house and then leave to another state. If I knew someone that was building a house, my advice to them would be very aware of what is included and what is not included in a new build.
Yeah, and don't be afraid to ask questions, or a lot of questions.
And finally, I would just like to encourage you that if you are building, there's going to be mistakes made, but this company, and Aaron especially, made us feel comfortable and valued as customers, made it right for us, fixed the things that needed to be fixed, and took responsibility for the mistakes that this company made. And we are so happy and excited about our new home build.